Today is the 4th September. You might be knowing that the 4th September is the day of the sexual health. And we are celebrating this day thanks to the efforts made by our apex organizations like World Sexual Health and ISSM. And I would like to tell on this occasion that we as a sexologists are suffering one thing in common, that is the identity crisis. Despite the recognition sexual health as an important aspect of the health, we the sexologists still don't have the real identity. The real reason is that sexology is basically as a blend of all medical sciences, even beyond the medical sciences, like cardiology, neurology, psychiatry, endocrinology. All systems are involved and are not only involved in the sexual health, they are involved very tangibly. So, once a sexologist whose background is those of that of neurology or psychiatry would like to know that who is he. Maybe people are not recognizing what a sexologist is. Even I have seen different various websites, and they have classified the different specialities of medical sciences, and among them, in the most of the websites, sexology is missing. So what I have to say then, who I am, then I click on the psychiatry. So once the sexologist gets up from the clinic, he would become a psychiatrist. So is the endocrinologist or the cardiologist. Why it is so? Because clinical degrees are very rare. So only one which I know, which I was lucky to pass, that FECSM from the ISSM. That is, I really appreciate their effort, because no, I can say that I have one clinical degree, but we need all medical institutions to start the diplomas, fellowships, and degrees in sexology, in the name of sexology or the sexual health. Only then people would become a real sexologist. Otherwise, they would be having the same identity crisis which we people suffered. Because I'm involved in the sexology for last 28 years. And after passing FECSM in 2014, now I can claim that I have some degree. But in the rest of the world, it's not there. And even our degree of FECSM is not recognized in the different parts of the country, of the world. We need to emphasize on the governments that it should be recognized as a full degree, as a fellowship. So one identity crisis I have just pointed out. Then there are other things which I would like to discuss on this day, what is sexual health. And I used to say that sexual health is the index of health, of general health. But now I have changed my slogan. I now start saying that the sexual health is an index of quality of life. Because sexual health is the most sensitive thing. If you have any major change in any aspect of your life, it is bound to be get affected. any aspect, any system of the body is disturbed, the first thing you will recognize that is the sexual health. Once you started having the hypertension or high cholesterol level, before you get any angina or MI, your sexual health, your erection is lost. 2 to 3 years prior to that, you have depression, you have Alzheimer, you have even arthritis. Yani every system of the body. I mean, I'm not talking about the urogenital system, it's a part of that sexual health, sexual system. Even any other system is disturbed, the sexual health is going to manifest the changes. So there is a medical science. Then the life on the larger aspect, say mental health, psychology. You have disturbance in your relationship or there is environmental stress. This is the one which is going to show the affects the sexual health. And then you have the emotional health, you have the even spiritual health. Your relations with a higher power is disturbed. You feel like it is disturbed, feeling guilt or anything like that. Then your sexual health will manifest the disease, the malady, the distress. So the life, every aspect of the life is going to affect the sexual health. So sexual health is a very, very wide system. It needs a lot of wisdom on the part of the sexologist to be a wise person having the knowledge of life at the global level. Then they can understand the sexual problems. So, but I would say the sexual doctor need to be educated throughout the life, and they have to learn every aspect of the life. I mean, political system, sociological system, everything, because it will affect the sexual health. And I would appreciate the efforts of World Institute of Sexual Health, ISSM, International Society of Sexual Medicine, ESSM, European Society of Sexual Health. I mean, they are really doing a service through their webinars, free webinars for the professionals, and they really have educated us during the epidemic corona that was started this year. But because the conferences were not there, but still they are doing the webinars, and I would say they should enhance. It has really helped me at least to update myself with the all aspects of new developments in the sexology and sexual health. And I would like these organizations to conduct webinars for the laymen, for the common people. That has to be propagated properly on the social media, so that common people start taking interest and start learning about the sexual health. And then I would like to highlight my own efforts that I am doing in Pakistan for the sexual health. I have my own organization, Sexual Institute of Sexual Health, Pakistan Institute of Sexual Health. And we in Pakistan also have the PhSM, Society of Pakistan for the Andrology and Sexual Education. And we are conducting one course of the sexual health known as the CRSM in Pakistan. As yet, we have trained around about 700 doctors, and now they are really giving the education to the people and doing service, clinical service throughout the stretch of the Pakistan. And now we're trying that our course is upgraded to the diploma level. So this is one thing we are doing in Pakistan, and we are doing it in a very hostile environment, because in our conservative society, talking about the sex is very difficult and people don't appreciate it. And we are educating in any case against all odds, but we have our limitations, and we have we are educating and we are propagating the knowledge according to the our local circumstances, our norms and values. So I would like international organizations to come forward, collaborate with us in Pakistan, just make a research on our efforts we are making, and then we can do combined projects. Thank you very much. I hope you will take care of your sexual health, and the sexual health will take care of your life. Bye bye.